All of this stuff about what Amanda Todd did and what she's going through needs to end. You guys are really cold hearted if you guys are going to talk crap about her. Because, yes, what she did was wrong. She showed her boobs to some man, but what he said to her was wrong. She did not deserve to be pressured into killing herself. She got bullied so much where she killed herself. The age of 14 to 17. Throughout her high school year, throughout everything, she was bullied. This man told her that if she went to the cops, he would threaten her life. He knew everything about her, where she lived, what she was doing, what school she went to, everything. What if you guys were in her shoes? What would you do? Honestly, you guys would probably end up doing the exact same thing she did because that is a lot of freaking pressure for someone to handle. You guys, if all you guys are going to say is bad shit about her, then just stop. Just end it because it is wrong. You guys have no right. I know it is your own opinion, but seriously, you guys can stop. She was a poor, innocent girl just like you, but I guarantee all of you, boys and girls, have sent bad pictures to someone and has been bullied about it, but not enough to where she has pressured herself. Boyfriends, girlfriends, you guys do bad shit with each other. Shut the hell up, okay? It has gotten to the point to where this Amanda Todd girl was beautiful. She was amazing. She did not deserve anything she was going through. She did not, yes. I understand completely. She lost her virginity to this boy that had a girlfriend and she was in love with him. Don't get me wrong. Half you people out there still do that. Do you get pressured and bullied for it? No, you don't. Okay. Number two, she showed her boobs to one man on Uvu or whatever site she was on, but how many people of you out there still do that and don't get bullied for it? Shut the hell up. Because personally, I'm on her side, and if she was alive, I would marry the woman. Yes, I would marry her. She was beautiful. She was amazing, had a great voice. Everything about her was perfect. What if you were in her shoes? Seriously, think about it. You would do the exact same thing she has done. I guarantee I'm not the only one that is upset about this, but I guarantee I'm the only person to make a video about it, besides Amanda Still, who is like an amazing person. Kayla, who's my other friend, and all these other people are getting really ticked off about it, and you guys just need to stop. If you guys aren't going to be my friends over this anymore, then whatever, fine by me, I don't care. If you guys are going to be really cold-hearted about it, then I don't need you as my friend anyways. This girl was a fantastic person. Be in her shoes. I guarantee you guys wouldn't say half the shit that you said. I could read off so many negative comments just on Facebook and YouTube right now that you guys have been saying about her, when everything that I have said has been positive about this girl. I am on her side. Have you been through half the shit that she's been through? No, you haven't. And I guarantee if you have, you would have done the exact same thing that she did. So before you guys are being hypocrites and don't even know what she's been through, walk in her shoes. Because I seriously, honestly know for a fact that if you have, you would change your mind on half the shit that you have said. So, I'm going to end this because I've said what I needed to say. Have a good day. Stop talking shit. Thank you.